Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make garbanzo bean soup. This guide will walk you through creating a warm, comforting meal perfect for any day. Garbanzo beans are packed with protein and fiber, making this soup both satisfying and healthy. We will cover everything from selecting your ingredients to the final delicious serving, ensuring you can easily recreate this dish at home. Get ready to enjoy a truly flavorful and wholesome experience. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need 2 15-ounce cans of garbanzo beans, rinsed and drained, or 1 1/2 cups of dried beans, soaked overnight. Dice 1 large onion, 2 medium carrots, and 2 celery stalks. These aromatics form the flavor foundation. Also, have 4 cups of your preferred broth, either vegetable or chicken, along with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and your favorite seasonings. Now, let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Sauté your diced onion, carrots, and celery for about 5 to 7 minutes until softened. Next, add the rinsed garbanzo beans, 4 cups of broth, and your preferred spices like 1 teaspoon of cumin and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. Bring it to a gentle boil, then reduce heat and simmer for at least 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to fully develop. Your delicious garbanzo bean soup is almost ready. For a thicker, creamier consistency, you can carefully blend about 1/3 of the soup using an immersion blender or by transferring a portion to a regular blender. Stir it back into the pot. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. Serve hot, garnished with fresh parsley, a dollop of yogurt, or a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Enjoy your homemade, wholesome meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.